Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the global version, the original, brand new top-selling astronomical telescope product on Amazon and Aliexpress with discount price. In our solar system, we know the asteroid belt is teeming with curious, ancient objects. Now, scientists just peered into another solar system and found 2 of these belts in the inner system, along with a third farther out. Astronomers used the most powerful instrument in space ever deployed, the James Webb Space Telescope, to reveal more rings around the young star Fomalhaut, located relatively close in space terms, at some 25 light-years away. The research was recently published in the science journal Nature Astronomy. Previously, other strong telescopes, like the school bus-sized Hubble, observed Fomalhaut's extremely distant outer ring, which lies 14 billion miles away from the star, yet Webb, which views a type of light called infrared light that's invisible to our eyes, but a common and potent source of energy, found 2 inner belts. Where Webb really excels is that we're able to physically resolve the thermal glow from dust in those inner regions, so you can see inner belts that we could never see before. Skylar Wolf, an astronomer at the University of Arizona who worked on the research, said in a statement, half times larger than the Hubble Space Telescope's mirror. Capturing more light allows Webb to see more distant, ancient objects. As described above, the telescope is peering at stars and galaxies that formed over 13 billion years ago. Just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. We're going to see the very first stars and galaxies that ever formed. Gene Creighton, an astronomer and the director of the Manfred Olson Planetarium at the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, told Mashable in 2021. Infrared view. Unlike Hubble, which largely views light that's visible to us, Webb is primarily an infrared telescope, meaning it views light in the infrared spectrum. This allows us to see far more of the universe. Infrared has longer wavelengths than visible light, so the light waves more efficiently slip through cosmic clouds. The light doesn't as often collide with and get scattered by these densely packed particles. Ultimately, Webb's infrared eyesight can penetrate places Hubble can't. Peering into distant exoplanets. The Webb telescope carries specialized equipment called spectrometers that will revolutionize our understanding of these far-off worlds. The instruments can decipher what molecules, such as water, carbon dioxide, and methane, exist in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, be it gas giants or smaller rocky worlds. Webb will look at exoplanets in the Milky Way galaxy. Who knows what we'll find. We might learn things we never thought about. Mercedes Lopez Morales, an exoplanet researcher and astrophysicist at the Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian, told Mashable in 2021. Already, astronomers have successfully found intriguing chemical reactions on a planet 700 light-years away, and the observatory has started looking at one of the most anticipated places in the cosmos, the rocky, Earth-sized planets of the TRAPPIST solar system. What's out there? These belts are thought to be formed by the debris from collisions of larger bodies, like asteroids and comets. It is referred to as the debris disk, which is formed usually when the planets are in place. They could have been formed by the gravitational tug of the unseen planets in this star system. The debris belts consist of rocky, icy, and dusty remnants from the massive planetary collision. By looking at the patterns in these rings, we can actually start to make a little sketch of what a planetary system ought to look like if we could actually take a deep enough picture to see the suspected planets, said Andres Gasper of the University of Arizona in Tucson, and lead author of the new paper. Astronomers regard the belts surrounding the young star as a missing puzzle because no planets have been discovered in the system, despite noticing a mysterious gap between Fomalhaut's outer and inner rings. This new gap could indicate the presence of an unknown ice giant planet, such as Neptune or Uranus. Deeper investigations of more systems like Fomalhaut with JWST could reveal how planets move through these pancake flat disks. Observing the dust cloud itself, meanwhile, could reveal details about the structure of planetary systems other than our own. Disclaimers: these choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go top Astronomical Telescope 2023 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.